Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada Obi, your data analyst. So today we are going to explore the different inbuilt data sets. Yes, data in R programming language, how you can access them. Yes, if possible, we can also do filter, but let's just check yes. So firstly, we open our R programming, which mine is already open. Sorry, let me clean my environment. So this I have, okay, let me open a new script. So now, firstly, before you do anything on your R programming, you make sure that your package, you installed all the necessary package, very important. Then, and before you run any test on your, before you do any analysis in this R programming, you must import those packages. They are important packages that can, that can run the test, the analysis that you want to perform. So these are the package. We have the library tidyverse. This is how to import your package when you install them already. Then how to install your data, your library, your package is when you come to these tools. You say install package. You click on install package. You can type the type of package that you want to. Let's say tidyverse. You type, then and you install it. Sometimes before you finish typing, it will just pop up on your screen. So that's how to import to install your package here. So here, after the installation of the package, you can just access it here using library and type. So now let's save us sometimes. I'm going to copy this. So you use Ctrl V as usual now. So now like I said earlier, that we want to explore the inbuilt data. We want to see the different data sets in our programming license that we want to practice. So then in my next video, we are going to also do filter. I'm going to, you know, download a data set or find a data set that we can use to practice filter, how to create age category, how to, after data cleaning in your R programming, how to import it as an Excel file. So it's one step at a time. So let's explore. First thing, what we are going to do, since we want to explore the inbuilt data, so we type data, then open and close brackets, then you run the code. Remember, when you are running, you are going to run everything, both the tidyverse and this. So, we're going to give it some time. I don't know. The reason why this is slow is that I didn't update. I haven't updated my R this month, so I think that's why it's a bit slow. So let's just give it some time to load. Okay. So these are the data sets in package data sets. This is actually what we have in data sets. So in package data sets. So this is what we have. But I think we can also, I think there is also a way you can access all this. So firstly, let's see what is in air passengers. Let's see what is here. Normally you copy the name to avoid making mistake. You come here, you type you can say data sets, data, sorry, then control V, yeah, to control V to paste. Sorry that I'm using this. So this is the data set that we want to explore. Then we want to see what is inside. It's already on our, this is where it is. So now let's see what is the heading, like the column names. Yeah, I think so. So we run this. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June. Which this is what we have. So now we want to have this in our environment. So we are going to name it. Whenever you want to name a data set, rename a data set, you use this. This is how to rename a data set to something else to, okay. So here is the data. So I think we can actually use this air quality, okay, or airline. This is actually nice. Okay, so let's run it. So this is what we have. We have 153 columns, 6 variables. So this is what we have: ozone, solar, we have wind, we have temperature, we have month, we have day. So let's assume now. So I don't think we are going to do a analysis for now. So let's go back to this. Sorry. I want It's a mistake. The same way you can also explore another data set. Something could have popped up. Yes, look here. Now see the diamond data set that I'm looking for. So now we can run this. Let me run this. This is the diamond data set. So now let's view it. So we are going to use this to explore. Yes. So let me clean this. So you can now access this. You can also access data when you know the name. Yes, there's a data set that is called Irish data set, and I think the data is in tidyverse. Yes, it's stored in tidyverse. So let's delete this. This is when you want to explore. So now we have this diamond data. So let's see the heading. It's already here. This you can actually explore it here. This is what we have. So now we want to save it in our environment. We want to have it in our environment. What to do is df. Remember, this is how to rename this. I think this is less than, yeah, and the minus sign. You type your diamond and run it. You have it already here. We have 10 variables and others. So now let's filter. So let's assume now we want to explore this data now. So firstly, let's see what's inside this data. So let me see. This is how to check your data. This is what we have. We have carats, we have chords, we have color, we have clarity, we have depth, we have table, we have price, we have X and every other thing here. So now let's assume now you want to see all the variable in chords, or you want to analyze, have the know the like the average, or to filter only the premium. Yeah, only the premium in chords. Same way, like let's assume now if using Excel, you can actually filter using the filter column, the drop down. I think, yeah. So here is a bit, you just need to get your code right. Yes, you just need to get your code right. So now I think another stuff is you can also use name, mhm, to see your function of the object trying to get. Okay, let's see this. Let's see what we get with this. Okay, since we have already renamed it, sorry, I made a mistake. So now let's see what we get. So this is what, when you want to see the heading. Yes, when you want to see the heading, this is what you get. Like when you want to see the column names, you just use name and the DF. Like the name you have already renamed it. Like I said, I renamed it as DF, a short form to avoid, for easy access. You can also explore this diamond, what the diamond is all about. I think that should be this with full stop. No, like something that will give you a description of what this stand for. I don't know if it's forward. Okay, this is wrong. This is actually wrong. So let me see if I use the F. Okay. So this is what we have. So in my next video, we are going to how to rename your this. So in my next video, we are going to also explore this data, filter, reduce from mean and standard deviation, or average, mean, average. Yes, like the mean. Yes, do the small calculation on this. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.